Hello everyone, Dr. Abhishek Purkasthar here. Today I have with me Mr. Anantara Raikar, 70-year-old male. He is a case of carcinoma of lung, upfront metastatic. Patient presented with a lung mass and mediastinal lymphadenopathy and METs in L3 vertebra. Patient was treated with palliative chemotherapy by Dr. Jayant Gawande, and post palliative chemotherapy and target therapy, patient was referred to me for further management in view of uptake in a left pulmonary ligament lymph node, which was measuring 1.1 into 0.83 centimeter, and an uptake in the L3 vertebra. I treated the patient with SBRT, that is stereotactic body radiotherapy, using artificial intelligence based synchrony technique, which is an integral part of our tomotherapy system. Synchrony is an artificial intelligence based technique which traces the tumor in free breathing. It was a very special case as the disease was ultracentral and very small in size, and synchrony was able to detect the mass, and patient was able to complete the treatment in a proper way. We were able to target the small lesion properly, and today the patient is with us and wants to share their thoughts. Good.
नमस्कार. मी कॅन्सर हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आल्यामुळं वडिलांची खूपच जास्त तब्येत डाऊन होत होती. आम्ही ते केमो घेतले. आम्हाला योग्य तो सल्ला भेटला. नंतर पे स्कॅन केल्यानंतर अभिषेक सरांना भेटलो आम्ही. अभिषेक सर म्हणजे असं हे केमो घ्यायला रेडिएशन द्यायला लागेल. तर अभिषेक सरांनी खूप आम्हाला सहकार्य केलं. वडिलांचं पण काळजी खूप घेतली. आता वडिलांची तब्येत व्यवस्थित आहे.
बोला.
मी हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आलो त्यावेळेस माझी तब्येत खूपच खराब झाली. आल्यानंतर काही मला साथ दिली. अभिषेक सरांनी खूप 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 चांगलं केल्याबद्दल मला बरं वाटायला लागलं आणि आता फारच बरं वाटतंय.
थँक्यू सो मच.